Welcome everybody, welcome. Here today I'm going to be showing you, we got this place we're doing here. We got the guy at the boom van doing that part there, and Brian's got the other boom van on the other side doing it. This here is all the way around both sides. Thought I'd bring you guys along with us, show you guys a bit of what we got going on, what we're doing, what we do, all of the above. You gotta be careful because the lands are really soft everywhere. I haven't had a real lot of nice weather so far. So the boys are over there picking up. I want to show you guys the job. I'm gonna go over here on the other street here beside us. A job I gave a quote on. Wait till you guys see this. Yeah, I quoted this job. I got over there, gave him a quote a couple days ago. It must be 25 feet high. Goes all the way around. There's probably, I don't know, 300-400 feet of hedge. And I looked and they put a fence in. New people bought it 5 years ago. They put a fence in so we can't get in with the boom vans anymore. I go, well, how do you think somebody's gonna get in here to do this? You need the boom vans. There's no other way that this can be done than with boom trucks or boom vans or lifts or anything. I mean, there's nothing. They have like a little opening that's maybe 3.5 feet, 4 feet wide. I said that you're gonna have to somehow open up that fence that you guys put in here for, must be for their dogs or something. All right. So we're just gonna be pulling up on it here. Wait till you guys see this. You ready? All the way around. So let me show you guys. This big thing. Then you got a electrical wire up there. Look, they put in this fence right here, so you can't even get in to go out back. Kind of happy they put a fence in so we can't do it, because I would give them a quote. Been good money. But look at the size of this thing. Isn't this something? It's one of the bigger ones I'd say in town that hasn't been trimmed that often, because it must be 15 feet wide. And you look at his hedge and look at the hedge out back at the neighbors. Look how nice that is over there at the neighbors. Nice little hedge, 6-7 feet high. Everything's nice. Look at this one over here, 5 feet high, nice and clean. Then you have this big thing here, never been done. They do it once in a while. They do it once every 5, 6, 7 years. That's what happens. You get something big like that. Let's see the dandelions on the front lawn, be able to make some wine. So I just thought I'd bring you guys, show you guys this crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Anyway, kind of happy we're not doing it. All right, we'll head back over. We're just over one street. Finally happy things are starting to move. They're steady. We've been this is our 6th week and things have been slow going. Weather hasn't been nice. When weather is not nice, the people aren't into it, aren't into getting their work done. You can call them up and they're usually on the schedule and, oh, let's wait, it hasn't been nice. You go, okay. Look at that, nice dog. All right. I'll go move the boom van over here for Joe. High stuff though. And this is high stuff, but it goes really well to do it. That's one thing about this stuff here. Unlike over there. The people that this house just got sold, the one where we're doing, the neighbor here, the other side of this hedge. So we probably did it for the other owner, probably 10 years. I fill in my papers. Every job. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get to work. So you guys can see at the bottom of the hedge here, the deer got into them this winter. That's why they're pretty clear. See the difference? You see the difference? The deer got into about right up to here. Then that there is nice and full. Well, I'm going to show you guys what we got going on here. We're going to be trimming this up here. Alright, so we're going to be taking this all out here. Trim this up. You can see where the deer ate it at the bottom there. I guess you got somebody new to bought this place. They're going to double it in size. So they just want us to clean it up a bit. Make some room. I think the drains have to be done around the house. So they have to get some machinery in here. So we'll take this all out here in the front. Trim up the tree a little bit, get rid of this one here. See Brian up there? Alright, we'll show you guys we're going along here. Alright, well, it looks like all done. Looking good. So we took this out here, like I told you guys. They're going to be doing the drains and adding on to this house. I guess the drains around the house. There's water must be coming into the basement or something. So they're going to need to bring some machinery around here, around the back, to be able to get to the house. And this is the only way. On the other side of the house, there's no room for anything. Just wanted us to cut up here to clean the pathway there, fix that hedge there. So that's about it. We're just getting to our next one here. We're going to be taking that birch tree down there, and this one here we're going to cut it halfway. Good job. So I'll bring you guys along with us. I'll show you guys. Brian's going to just go and tie it to make sure, because it's leaning towards the building. This one here, we'll do the two in the front here. They're leaning this way towards the street, so that's okay. The one in the back we'll tie in. We'll tie it up at the top and we'll make sure that we pull it towards the street. Just a little complicated, nothing too hard to do. See, so you see how they're all broken everywhere? There's branches broken. It's because it's never been really done. This is one of our new clients that owns a bunch of buildings, and I don't think he's done a lot of this stuff at his places, so we're recommending what he should do and what he shouldn't do. He didn't really have anybody to help him to let him know what he should do. All right, so I'll bring you guys along. Enjoy! So that's what it looks like, all done. Half the tree's gone. Boys are just blowing, that's why you can hear the blowers. They're just cleaning a little bit. The street hasn't been clean here yet. They always, the town cleans the streets in the spring, and you can see it hasn't been done here. No bit. So we trimmed the hedges out back there, just the side of them. The guy didn't want to do the tops. So that's what it looks like. I'll just walk around here and show you guys the final look. The other tree's gone. So that's what it's going to look like. Another satisfied customer. All right, I think he's gonna have to redo his wall here. His wall is starting to lean over a bit. We're just getting to this one here. We're taking out the two big hedges. This one was just as big as that one. There was a little bush in between. We're gonna take those out, clean up the front of this house here. Really needs to be, there's no need for those big things. Clean that up, do the stumps. We got a little one up the street here. The boys are gonna go do a stump just up the street here. That's gonna be it. Then we'll head over to the shop. I had a hat on all day, so the hair's flat on my head. Well, trucks are just pulling in. Everyone's pulling in all the same time. And Friday, everything needs to be clean. Been raining all week. Everything got dirty. Look, see if we have any blades to sharpen. Might be one there. That one's done. Oh, they're all done. Got a few chains. So this is where we do our chainsaw chains. So you can see these ones here are done. And these ones right here are to be done. So you see how they categorize them all. They have all their markings right here. This is our machine. We got our dirt. This is our dirt for when we go with the vans on the lawn, and sometimes we sink a little bit, so we have dirt in all the trucks. Here are our shafts. These are shafts that go in all the machines and the extensions and everything, because they wear out. Keep a good inventory of stuff. Ah ouais, j'avais de quoi d'écrit dans notre van.
J'ai posé l'anneau après encore.
Ok. So we're changing the teeth, the cutters, the cutting tools on the wood chipper.